Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, February 9th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. So a couple of basic things to rattle off right off the bat. We all had inside days yesterday in all three of our indices. So when we come out of it, we go with them and monitor for continuation or lack of. Number two, NQ and the S&P had trend days down. We're trying to take those back. Next, we had a 9-wide point of control in the S&P. It was going to be an upside destination. Right now, it looks like it's going to be a downside destination. So when you have the wide POC, if you trade above it, doesn't necessarily mean we take it off our reference point sheet. That I carry forward. Now, however, if we gap above, well, not gap, if we open above the single prints, those you don't carry forward, they're gone. However, you don't ignore them, especially for today, because we're treating this as two separate days. Remember, we said yesterday, double distribution. So if we do open in the upper distribution, bulls are going to want to stay above H's high because that's the top of the lower distribution. Not only that, they'll be playing with higher value all day if they are able to stay above that. All very important points. Now, if we take out yesterday's high, it will be an inside day up, but we're still nowhere near our balance high. Okay? Our balance high, like I said, is back on February 2nd all the way up at around 08 and change or 09. So we still have a ways to go to get to the balance high on the daily. That won't change. If we took out yesterday's low, we're a lot closer to the balance low. So balance rules will come into play if we take out yesterday's high, but not for a while. Now, another thing to keep in mind, the S&P loves front running, both overnight highs and previous day highs and lows. Well, once again, look where we are. Overnight highs, again, I'm in twos here, right? This isn't exact, but overnight highs around 70, 71. Yesterday's highs around 68 and change. So again, we talk about game plans. Well, if in the next 75 minutes we ought to push up, you could certainly take a short against yesterday's high to see if they front run yesterday's high to prevent an inside day up. And then I would use the overnight high as my out. Now, you would be shorting that with higher value. But again, it's not a bad risk-reward play because we know how our competition acts. On the flip side, if we're to push down, again, this is for now and or at 9:30, if we're trading around here. If we're to push down, it's a decent risk-reward long against both, for now, overnight half back, and H's high. You want to stay above that, like I said, and then you could use either value high from yesterday or yesterday's regular trading day half back as you're out if you're long up here. Any acceptance into J periods range from yesterday, you're going to go trade most likely. Odds are going to increase dramatically that we get our 9-wide point of control. Two early plays on the day. Same thing with NQ. They're basically the same as us. Although remember, NQ and righty don't really have trouble taking out overnights or previous days highs or lows, right? They don't have that, whatever you want to call it, not to take them out right away. Now, on righty, they never had a trend day. Remember, they had a very nice afternoon rally high from yesterday. Look where they're trading right now, right at it. So that's a visual area for them also. And then just quickly, on the chart, we can't spell this out any better for you, ladies and gentlemen, for free on here. Thank you for your likes and supporting by subscribing to this channel. Inside month up right now, right? You want to stay above 408.16 on the monthly, inside month up. Weekly, one time framing up 6 weeks, including this week, which 3 days into it is an inside week. And the daily in a 5-day balance. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.